Hello, what's up guys? This is Amar from TechHeal. Today we have the latest Nvidia RTX 2080. We'll be doing an unboxing video and see what's inside. This is the first time we're opening this up, so I have no clue what's inside. So let's find out together. A little bit of specification. It has like 8 gigs of memory, and it's like DDR6 instead of the old ones, and has ray tracing. I haven't had any games with ray tracing, but we'll find out. We'll be using this in one of our builds. As far as I know, this is the Zotac, the Nvidia RTX 2080 Zotac Gaming Amp Edition. I think it's with triple fan, so let's just open it up and find out. So let me open it up first. You'll have a case. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so inside we have, wow, this packaging looks so sick. Like, I once did I don't know, it's reflecting my light, so you won't be able to see like really good in it, but I hope you do get to see what this looks like a little bit. And I've opened up the 1080 Ti's, but none of them had this kind of logo and stuff like that, so I'm really impressed. Oh wow, amazing. I don't know what's this for. There's no point in using this, but still. Well, we'll just keep it aside. Here you go. Oh, so this is with triple fans. And I think it also has some like LED lights and all that stuff. So let's just open it up and see how this one looks like. So I have this. Is it tape or something? No, it's not tape. So inside, okay, so the inside we have, I think this is this is the Zotac manual and all of that stuff. So that doesn't matter. I don't even need this. Who's gonna read? I'll use a graphics card. Ooh, wow. So, wow, amazing. You get these two power cables, connectors for your power supply. Probably persons using like 2080, you would have like I would recommend at least a 750 watts gold or bronze, but at least 750 watts power supply if you're using a 2080. And you can go above, like going above is really better. So let's just, I don't need this, put this aside. And oh, behold, the graphics card. Let's see if I have anything. Oh, there's nothing else, it's just this. So let's just get rid of the boxes first, so we can open up the GPU and see what's inside. So I'm just putting, ooh, wow. This is the 2080, amazing. Like, so much more bigger than the 1080 or a 1080 Ti. Like, the 1080 Ti is like, I would say like around 20 to 25% less in size than the 2080, but it's triple fan, so much more bigger. And I think these are like, these lights up, and this is the back plates. Oh, sorry. How this goes in the back plates, and I think that's pretty much it. Like, oh yeah, the ports. It has a USB Type-C for Thunderbolt connection for the display. 3 display ports and 1 HDMI port, so there is no DVI ports in this one. I don't know why they decided to skip this, but still a few people use the DVI-B. But let's see. So this was an unboxing video of the RTX 2080. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel for all other videos for the unboxing and our builds. I'll be posting a link down in the description below, and we will be putting this in one of our latest builds for our customer that's paired up with a Core i7-8700K with 16 gigs of RAM and then the 2080. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you got a clear idea of what to expect on a 2080 series GPU. And there's a lot more to expect as well. Like, wow, this looks cool. Amazing cool. Let me just close it up a little before I. So this is 2080 Ti. Sorry, 2080. Like I've been like building so many things on the 1080 Ti. I always spell Ti. I always like say Ti for everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, thank you so much, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.